In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put ads on your Wix website. This is an incredibly valuable skill for those looking to monetize their online presence and make your site work for you. Now, without wasting any more time, let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Wix homepage. Open up your browser, type in the web address for Wix, and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard, which is essentially your command center for managing all things related to your Wix website. With your dashboard in view, take a look around the side menu and see if you can spot the marketing option. Tapping this will take you to a suite of tools that Wix offers to help promote your site. And indeed, this tool set is crucial if you're serious about getting those ads up and running. Next, from the marketing options available, you'll see an option labeled Google Ads. Click on it. Why Google Ads? Because this is one of the most effective advertising routes available today. It taps into Google's massive network, giving your website the exposure it deserves. After clicking on Google Ads, look for a button or link that prompts you to start advertising. Give that a click. This is the point where it all becomes real. You're on the cusp of launching ads that could potentially reach millions of viewers. At this juncture, Wix will probably present you with some account upgrade options. There should be a prompt asking you to upgrade your site. It's important to note that upgrading is essential before you can actually post any ads. The upgrade ensures your site meets all necessary prerequisites and is polished to a standard that supports advertisements. Once you've gone through the upgrade process, you'll need to connect a custom domain. This step is essential because it adds credibility to your site. When users see a custom domain rather than a standard Wix domain, it lends trust to your website, and Google prioritizes such sites for ads. After connecting your custom domain, revisit the Google Ads section within your Wix dashboard to proceed. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the initial steps to set up ads on your Wix website. By following this process, you're setting yourself up for newfound opportunities to drive traffic and generate revenue. Stay patient, as it might take some time to attract the right audience balanced with the efficient ad placements. Thanks for tuning in, and happy advertising on your Wix site.